It's day three of Make It in the Emirates 2025. In this exhibition, there are 12 areas where UAE is focusing to increase its manufacturing base.
We are the integrated service provider for oil and gas and marine sectors. We are delivering high quality of solutions like precision welding, fabrication services, and also industrial services, insulation, scaffolding, painting, and all. We established in 2013 in Kazakhstan, and after the rapid growth, we have decided to expand our network into Middle East. As a part of that, now we are in the UAE, Abu Dhabi. We have invested significantly in this country, Abu Dhabi. Our operational base is in ICAT 3. We have 14,500 square meters of production manufacturing facility where we are full-fledged for the fabrication of carbon steel, exotic welding, and any alloys. We are pretty much ready to cater to this country, and currently we are engaged with ADNOC projects and marine sectors like Airport and Dubai dry docks.
Thanks, Dryinfire is a 60-year-old company, and we are started here almost 10 years before. And we produce here filters for gas turbines and HVAC systems, and also for process air filtration. Here we mainly manufacture for gas turbines, and in fact actually we have a very wide product portfolio here, and almost in the customers in the UAE and almost in the GCC, and even from UAE we are exporting to South America. So we have different client bases from here. And Make It in Emirates, here in this exhibition, you can see a lot of companies are here with a lot of potentials. At the same time, I can also say that with our company, we received a lot of potential by being here, especially being settled in Fujairah Free Zone. In fact, they are giving a lot of actually opportunities for us to grow. And we would like to welcome, in fact, actually all our friends in India to have a nice start here.
We started manufacturing in Fujairah around 23 years back. We started with the kitting of cable jointing kits in Fujairah. Now today, as on date, we are manufacturing all molded particles. We are making bolstering, joints termination and pre-molded accessories in Fujairah Free Zone 1. And our products are accepted by DEWA, ADDC, TACA, all electrical utility in UAE our products are approved and is being supplied regularly. We are manufacturing all these items under stringent quality control, and we do have the manufacturing facilities available in our manufacturing unit. We do have a test lab which is also having all the testing equipments for doing dielectric mechanical tests as per various international specifications. So our clients we are getting regular repeated orders from all our clients.